All right, hey, Josh here, out here in Ohio. Hey, what I want to talk to you about today is how we do these mono trusses, how we attach them to the sidewall, and how we use the 2x4, and how we tack this up. So for those out there, do it yourself, DIYers, contractors, and so forth, this is what we do instead of toenailing in here. You see what we do? We attach a 2x4 right there. Hey, by the way, if you like the video, boom, like the video, leave us a comment, so forth. But see how we put that 2x4 right there, and then we put a 3-inch galvanized nail right in there, so you can see the backer. See that backer we have on the interior there, 2x4s, and then up there 2x6. So what we do is we put this 2x4 right there, and then we take this mono truss, because if you didn't have that 2x4, boy, you'd have a durability, strength, and stability issue. You'd really have to toenail the heck out of it. So we're giving it more support. See how we're running this? And this is a 6-foot, see that? Let me go over here. A 6-foot, and you can see how we attach it to the top beam over here. You see how we run that right there? So we got these mono trusses here, and then you got the 2x4 that we put up. So it's all in the preparation here. See that? And we got the mono trusses here. It's an interesting way to do it. That way, when you're at home, you can knock out your own building. The trusses are the, this is obviously a wraparound porch, as you can see right here. You can see that's what we do as far as putting up the 2x4. All right, so just a little tip for you guys out there. Hopefully that helps you. You can see how we do that. So for more tips, keep on the journey here. atticalumber.com. And again, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up, leave us a comment, and for the next video, we'll see you soon. Attic Lumber, since 1925.